In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money on Pocket Option using a Visa card. We'll guide you through each step of the process, showing you how to efficiently and securely fund your trading account. Let's get started at the beginning. Open your web browser and navigate to the Pocket Option Trading Platform website. This is an advanced platform that offers numerous tools and options for traders of all levels. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account so that you're ready to proceed with the deposit process. If you're not logged in yet, take a second to enter your credentials and access the trading dashboard. Once you're all set and logged in, look towards the upper menu on the website where you'll find a tab labeled Finance. Go ahead and click on Finance to open up a range of financial operations you can conduct, including deposits and withdrawals. This step is simple yet crucial because it's your gateway to managing your funds on the platform. After accessing the Finance section, your next step is to click on Deposit. This will take you to the specific page dedicated to adding funds to your account. Here you have multiple payment methods displayed, but our focus will be on using a Visa card for its ease and security. Upon reaching the deposit page, you'll want to find and select the option labeled Visa, MasterCard, USD. Clicking this option specifies that you're looking to deposit using a Visa card in US dollars, which is a common and widely accepted currency for online trading. With the payment method set, you need to specify the amount you wish to deposit. Enter the sum in the provided field, keeping in mind any minimum deposit requirements the platform might have. It's always a good idea to double check the amount to avoid mistakes. Now comes the step where you'll complete the payment. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, providing your Visa card details as prompted. This usually includes entering your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. Always make sure that your card is valid and has sufficient funds to cover the deposit amount. It's essential to ensure your internet connection is secure during this process to protect your financial information. Once all the necessary card information is entered, submit the payment. The system will process your transaction, typically confirming the deposit within a few moments. If you encounter any issues, a quick refresh of the page or reaching out to customer support might help resolve them. And that's it. You've successfully deposited money into your Pocket Option account using your Visa card. You're now ready to start trading with the new funds. Remember to always keep track of your transactions for personal records and trading strategy adjustments. Happy trading!